Welcome to another video in our Few Fav series, where we share a few favorites of a certain genre, be it Georgia State Park campgrounds, South Carolina state parks, and in this video, Army Corp of Engineers campgrounds in the South. And hey, if you're new here, feel free to go ahead and click on that subscribe button down below. So, Army Corp of Engineers campgrounds, what are they and how do they differ from a state park campground? Well, they are generally set along a body of water, a lake or a river. They don't usually offer the activities, hiking, or trails that state parks have, but they mostly offer beautiful or interesting views of the water. Most of the campsites include water and power. Generally, there are restrooms, showers, sometimes laundry, and a dump station. They are reasonably priced, and for people with America the Beautiful Senior Pass, half price. We use these campgrounds to enjoy being on the water, to lower our average camping costs, and to relax. They aren't action-packed, hike 7 miles type of places. Alright, first up, Ortona Lock Campground west of Lake Okeechobee in Florida. This campground is set along the waterway from the lake to the west coast. What's interesting here? Watching boats go through the lock. Oh, and alligators, otters, and birds. The campground offers 51 water and power sites, with about 10 being the prime ones, sites 21 through 30, which are right next to the canal. Other than restrooms with showers, a dump station, a book trade, and the lock, not much else here, except for wildlife and pretty views. Next, Hardridge Creek Campground on Walter F. George Lake, also known as Lake Eufaula in Alabama. The campground offers 77 campsites, some water and electric, and some full hookup. Our favorites were not the full hookup sites, but the ones out on Pirates Cove, a small peninsula with water on both sides, Harbor Pass with incredible lake views, and the lakeside sites in Bayshore. Lake Eufaula is considered to be the bass capital of the world. The lake is along the Caloosahatchee River and the Georgia-Alabama border. Hardridge Creek is also close to the historical town of Eufaula with its historical building self-guided walking tour. Our last favorite for this video is Service Park Campground, just west of Coffeyville, Alabama. You come here to watch the barges on the Black Warrior Tombigbee waterways. The campground is right next to the Tombigbee River and offers 32 tent or RV sites with water and power. Sites 1 through 13 offer fabulous views of the waterway traffic, and many of them are long pull-throughs. If you've enjoyed this quick look at some of our favorite Corps of Engineer campgrounds in the South, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave us a comment so we know you're here. As always, thanks for watching.